friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bouba from Incredibox Sprunki. So first, let's get started with a face. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom, creating a circle. And then we're going to start on the right hand side, closing off this circle, curving this line back around and then in towards the bottom. Now closing off the face, we're going to draw on a straight line that comes directly down in the middle. For the eye on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then in the middle, coming up towards the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line across. Underneath in the center, let's draw in an arch line. And then we're going to step across, replicating that. Now let's draw on the eyebrow. So we're going to draw on an arch line, curving this over. And now let's draw on the mouth. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. In the middle for the body now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the left. And then we'll step over on the right and replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom, bringing this line over. Now on both sides for the pigtail, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Underneath now, we're going to arch this line around and then up. From that point again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then one more time, just arching this line around and then in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Bouba from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.